What's up, everyone? It's Hey John, and I jabber opportunities nonstop. Today is another day of Reflex Wars because they are doing things non-stop. It just keeps on going and going and going and going. And for the folks who know what that commercial is, leave a comment down below in the description. And today I have some fantastic news on why I am still extremely bullish AF on Reflex Finance. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, folks, I want to start the video off of Reflex Finance in terms of their backlog of rewards. We currently have 22.9 trillion in backlog. That means that yesterday it was around, I believe, 24 or 23. I forget these numbers. I don't keep track of it exactly to the minute, but the point is that it is steadily decreasing. Now, if you're wondering why isn't Reflex going up, well, it's because we're seeing some selling pressure from these backlog rewards. So when you people buy, guess what? Your rewards, they kind of tap it down right here a little bit. So whoop, tap, whoop, tap. So please understand that, and you will sit here sitting very pretty and you have nothing to fear. Now, if you're one of those people who cannot understand the concept of, well, when people buy and then the contract sells off to give you guys your rewards because of a huge backlog, well then, I do not know what to say. It is quite simple and quite obvious. To me, this is very reassuring that we're seeing nonstop selling off of the rewards and we're seeing the backlog consistently move down. That is very important. Consistently move down. And if you want to track it, there is a BSC scan hash. And the reason why I covered this in the beginning of the video is because it's very important. People want their money, and just know it is coming. If we continue at this current frantic pace of about 20 billion per sell, well, folks, I suspect in about 10 or 15 days, this backlog will be done. But that's assuming all else is equal. And let me tell you guys, I don't think this will be the case, and here is why. So today I woke up and I am seeing some amazing news. Yahoo Finance, Reflex Finance, next big crypto, shatters all launch and growth records. Check it out, folks. Bloomberg. Do you guys know what Bloomberg is? Well, do you see this text like this, folks? This is something you call a Bloomberg terminal. And if you know anything about a Bloomberg terminal, you know people pay tens of thousands of dollars per month to get access to this information. And the fact that we're seeing Bloomberg, holy moly, this is a big deal. Market Watch, Benzinga, one of the premier cryptocurrency news destinations. Digital Journal, News File. Well, folks, the reason why I'm covering all of this is because this is a huge deal. Because have you heard of something called SEO? It stands for Search Engine Optimization. Now, any company who has a digital footprint, and guess what, folks? Reflex Finance is literally blockchain, which means you're literally, all you have is a digital footprint. So when people search for keywords like Reflex, Finance, whatever, you want to see your stuff pop up to the top. And how do you do that? With content. Content is the #1 creator of SEO. And also, do not forget, folks, the power of YouTube videos. YouTube videos are the most understated thing, and people do not understand how important it is for content to come out on YouTube and how valuable it is. Now, I provide this service to the Reflex Finance team for, guess what? For 4 easy payments of 0.00, 0.00, 0.00, 0.00, 0.00. What does that equal to, folks? 0.00. And I do this only because I actually believe in that project and I actually have my own money, yes, my own money put into it. And I put quite a bit, folks. And guess what? Nobody gave me a dime. So this is me covering my own vested interest. That is as real as it gets. Now, you may not agree with me. That's okay. But you know what? I like my money. So I'm going to do my part. Are you going to do your part? And how can you do your part? I'm not saying you have to make YouTube videos. I'm not saying you have to go on Twitter. But what you can do is actually very easy. Go into Telegram, go into Discord, look for the links like CoinMarketCap, like Coin Sniper, etc. Go ahead and upvote Reflex Finance. That is how you can do your part. Not everyone needs to go and show their face to the world like I do. I understand you like privacy, and that's okay. But we can all do our part. We can all help our own investment. And if you have any kind of FUD keep it to yourself, because you know why? It's dumb. Do not FUD your own investment. Unless you hate yourself, then in that case, go ahead and do what you do. But if you're a savvy investor and if you like your own money, I know I do, you will do the smart thing. All right, folks, I want to cover coin market cap very briefly. We can see Bitcoin is still up 22%, Ethereum 21%, BNB up 15.82%, XRP is still up a whopping 43.44%. Now, with all that being said, we can see the cryptocurrency market is doing phenomenal. We can see it moving on up. And now we're seeing, well, the amazing piece right here. Reflex Finance is marketing the heck, and then you're using the marketing wallet to, guess what? Market. Yes, marketing wallet for marketing. That is a very ridiculous concept, and they are doing it. So you know what? That makes me more bullish as an investor. I do not want to see the marketing wallet being used to do other things that is not marketing. It is just that simple. You don't want to see your marketing wallet go into education. You don't want to see your marketing wallet go into other tokens. You don't want to see your marketing wallet do anything but marketing. Because being an investor, I have only one interest, my investment. And how are you, Reflex Finance, going to protect and make my investment grow and get bigger? Well, if you're going to market and I see you marketing, you have my full support. And there's a huge thing here as well. They are currently in talks getting more influencers. Obviously, I'm not getting paid for this, but they will be paying others. And well, folks, they will bring in crowds and droves of them. And you know what? I'm okay with that, because at the end of the day, it's going to benefit my investment. That's how you should be seeing this, folks. Your investment. Getting into clicks and teams and all that kind of stuff, I think that's silly. And what you got to do is remember that your money is your money. When you click that buy button, when you click that sell button, only you receive the gains or losses. So always question what your investment is doing with their marketing budget, because giving excuses is not a valid excuse. We can see Reflex Finance doing the opposite. They are doing the right thing. And in my opinion, they are doing it phenomenally. And that's kind of why I'm on board 100%. Okay, folks, here we are on the 1 hour perspective on Reflex Finance. We're currently at 19.14 million market cap. Now it's kind of low today, and we're hanging around the support of 2749. But I've already explained to you guys the reason why is not because of fear, it's not because of anything. It's because we have 22 trillion tokens and rewards and backlog, and we're seeing some selling pressure to keep the price down. Now, don't forget, folks, this marketing has just come out today, and we will see more investors coming in, folks. They will trickle in, and when they do, boom, money, 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 money. It's coming, baby. Now, we can see the chart is literally trading sideways, and I suspect the reason for it is because of the selling pressure. You already know that. It's from the rewards bot. So the only way to negate this is by either turning it off, which nobody wants because everybody likes their rewards to come to them. So my point being and explaining this and getting into the marketing and covering it and emphasizing it so much, because these are the two things that every investor cares about, because I am also an investor just like you, and that's what I care about, and that's what they're doing. So you know what? I have no reason to doubt the leadership because they are addressing all of my concerns as an investor. Just know that if we continue this current momentum, this may take about 10 or 15 days to clear up. And that's okay, folks. This is a very, very, very new token. It's literally maybe about like 5 days, 4 days old. I don't even know, man. Time is just flying by so fast now. But the point being is that it's very young and you need to give it some time because, well, even when you put up a seed into the ground, it takes a few days before it germinates and sprouts. So let's go ahead and give our investment some time. And just know that the two major concerns of the rewards and the marketing are being addressed in a very professional manner. And if you disagree, that's fine too, but the facts are there and you cannot dispute that. Just wait, folks. Great things are coming and I know it. So the question is, do you know it? Do you believe it? Leave me a comment down below. The best way for you guys to support the channel is by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Get $250 in Bitcoin using my BlockFi link down below in the description. Get 2 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL. Get $25 in Crow. Crypto.com, and most importantly, have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.